Son, the hell are you doing?
Standing.
Why? You ought to sit on that lawnmower.
Down, but the damn seat's full of water, so I get my ass wet.
Nastiness, ass water.
Yes.
So, we took the idle and set it down low, so now it runs like a Maytag washing machine engine.
Yeah, it does.
You ought to walk your lawnmower, David.
I ought to. I think I will.
We'll crank it up and walk it then.
Oh, I got to push the clutch in that. That's a slow idle.
Yes. It's getting it.
7.5 horsepower cruising.
It's getting it. It's getting it. Look at it go. Yeah, it is. Look at it go.
Headlights are looking.
There ain't no driver.
None.
It's getting it.
How you doing there, buddy?
That seat stinks. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it.
It smells like mold.
And dirty ass cheeks.
Yeah.
You ought to hook a trailer behind it and see if it'll pull it at idle.
I'll see if it's going to the hill.
We'll take it up the hill.
Oh, I got to wait for it to get down there.
Yeah, it takes a while.
Speeding up the motor.
It's hauling ass now. Why? If the deck would work, it would be.
Huh?
Now leave it alone, David. It'll idle. I bet it's going to quit. Yes. Light pole. I bet it's going to run in that light pole. Ooh, show him that pulley. Take that pulley. Look at that pulley. Ooh. That is war. Yes. Well, stop the lawnmower right quick, David. And then we'll make the deck go, and we'll show them that pulley when it's cutting grass. I quit. I quit again.